Hey, welcome back to American Adventure Lab. On today's episode, we have our 2007 Jeep JK into the shop. This guy's been a long time project for me, probably going on 2 years now. And what we're doing today is trying to bring the interior up to speed with the rest of the vehicle. So the 2007 JKs have a slightly different seat design than what the other model JKs do. So what we have here is a brand new set of seat covers from PRP. And so we're going to show you in this video how to take your old worn out JK seats and make them look like this by just adding a set of seat covers.
Give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country, and it don't mean a thing if it don't pass the test. If you ain't never cheated or been cheated on, then take off your boots, you rhinestone fraud. Well, if you're cheating, drinking, and I'm lost on hard time, foolish pride done me wrong. Flirting with the devil, getting right with the man.
All right, so what I'm trying to do now is just get the cover just loosely in place so I can start feeding it through the seat back and get it pulled tight. Then I'll be able to, it's got these drawstrings underneath to really cinch it down and give it a good fit. Kind of nice, you can see how it's gonna look. It's gonna look really clean in here.
I'm growing like a moth through the neon lights. I need a bucket of beer and someone to fight. Don't call yourself country if your music is ditty. Or this Carolina boy will take you down to Fifth City. You know who you are, I ain't gonna name names. Just keep your hands off my country and go back from where you came.
So that did go over up there?
Yeah.
Did you have to cut it or anything?
No, the hole was about that size, but once I got it centered up, I just kind of worked it around, and now it fits in there pretty nice, and it helped me locate this front edge of the seat. And so now it pulled all this really tight.
That feels good. It doesn't even look like a seat cover. It looks like a leather seat.
Now we've got this seat bottom in here, and it fits just great. But it was kind of a pain to get back into here. It's really tight up against the console, and I'm worried that it's could be pulling or anything like that and cause a tear. So I think it's just going to end up being easier to pull these seats out. There's only the main 4 bolts and the seat belt bolt, and then the connector for the airbag and stuff. So I think we're just going to go ahead and pull these out. That way we can really get them out in the open and make sure we've got it all attached in the proper way, and hopefully that'll make this all stay tight and continue to stay tight for years to come.
My country, my damn country, give me my country, you can keep the rest. This is my country, my damn country, and ain't no mean a thing if you don't pass the test. If you ain't never done something you regret, well then I'm proud of you. And now get it.
What face is that you're making?
This is the don't scratch this brand new seat cover face.
It's a good face.
Get that unpolished pop song piece of glorified nursery rhyme out of my face. Wintertime, springtime, summertime, autumn. Show me Johnny jukebox and yoke 'em if you got 'em all. Country like Johnny, country like Merle, country like Loretta, that honky tonk girl. Country like Towns, country like Travis. I'm a country fried junkie with a bad habit. Country like Chris, country like Gretchen. If you ain't cooking country, then get out of the kitchen. I'm a country like Hank, 1, 2, and 3. Dropping like peaches from the family tree. Country like women, whiskey and wheels. Yeah,
Best way to tie that. You got some kind of Marine Corps military knot.
Man, we didn't tie
That's
knots.
right, you weren't in the Navy.
We had Navy people for that.
My dad was in the Navy. He's the
What I
knot
would
guy.
do though, no, I wouldn't do it like that.
What?
I would tie
Tie
a
it to
knot.
this?
No, hang on, hold this. Let me try.
He didn't like the knot that I was going to tie. I don't know if it's recording or not.
It is.
Look at you. You're a Navy man yet.
He didn't mean that.
Look at you. Velcro's gonna be hating life.
I just wonder if you could just take that one off.
That's what I was thinking. I mean, they literally get no paperwork with this at all.
That hurts just a little bit.
A little fitment assistance. That's why I was gonna try to just get the what's going to be excess off of it. Hello in there. Smells so new.
Yeah.
Have that new Jeep smell.
I mean, just get a look at that.
Let's see. Getting this under there.
You know, I would help, but I'm doing it.
No, you're doing an important, very important aspect. We got to get this out to the people.
Something like that.
Oh, yes. It's like Ace Ventura.
There you are.
Hello. Smash angle. You can mash these down. They're gonna see this video and they're gonna be like, you're supposed to pull the old seat cover off first.
All right, so if you're taking a bet right now,
Okay.
what are the odds we're supposed to take that factory seat cover off first?
This exact one, what are the odds that we take the one that's already underneath this
Yeah,
one
the
off?
factory one that's still under there that did not get taken off.
I don't know, I think I'm gonna make it fit. I think it is supposed to be on there.
Okay.
It fits too nice with it, and we're gonna lose a lot of volume if we take it off, and then I think they'll be really loose. I think they're just that perfect.
It definitely irons out the wrinkles.
Yeah, I think
It's
that's,
like a little Botox, little OEM seat cover Botox.
yeah. I feel like I'm trying to help a cow birth a calf or something. I'm just gonna fold this stock one up underneath here.
That extra stock one.
Yeah, the extra. No, it's just additional padding. That's what that is. It's your additional padding. There we go. Hello. That's what we call expertise.
Got there.
This is the original headrest.
It's very rubbery.
Yeah, it is. It's very. It should be in a pontoon boat or something.
Yeah,
Very weather resistant.
it is. Ooh. It sort of looks like a Lego person head.
It does, doesn't it? Thinking the same thing.
Into his hands, I let my feet roll. I'm breaking your arms, I lose control. When I get there, I'll know the answer. Let me know when I get closer.
That's good to see.
All right, so I think we're both really impressed with how well this thing fits and how tight it is, but wanted to give you guys a little before and after of the original seat and the new seat cover. I think the difference sort of speaks for itself there.
It looks like it's more comfortable.
little bit heavier now.
It probably weighs like, you know, 1 seat cover more. Yeah. Good as time as any.
Well, there's no bolt in there, so I can get to it better. Got them skills.
That is talent.
Oh, we have to take the roll cage off to get the seat in.
Alright, we need a new cage in here anyway.
We do need a new cage.
Now that's the way it ought to feel. You know?
That's pretty cool.
Really comfortable. Smooth.
It reminds me of like an F-150 seat. You know how they're kind of square?
Mm-hmm.
They've got the stitching. I don't know what you call that.
Stitching.
Contrast. You call it stitching?
The stitching. Yeah.
But you know where it's like a different color than the
Yeah, it definitely.
contrast stitching.
it
That sounds
definitely
official.
has
I
a-
like it.
has
I like
really
it a lot.
Cool look.
It definitely changed the feel of the vehicle, which I wasn't expecting. I knew it would look good, but I like it a lot. It's not slippery.
No, they're not
So,
slippery.
Like, not
I like
slippery
that
like
a
a lot
lot.
of leather.
Yeah, I like that. It definitely firmed the seats up, I think.
Worth the effort.
Yeah, it looks really good. I mean, it sure beats putting a high dollar set of seats in something,
It does. Yeah.
you know.
Cool. All right, guys. So that was our install of the PRP seat covers for the 2007 Jeep JK. So they're different than the other models. So that's why we specify 07. But all in all, I thought it was the install went really well. No issues at all, really. I mean, just kind of stretching everything to get it to fit. We did trim one little piece around one of the lumbar seat raiser upper doohickey handle things. I don't know. But yeah, all in all, great product. Very happy with it. I think we need some for the back seat too. What do you think about that?
I think so.
The back seat.
You got to collect the whole set. Man.
It definitely looks a little
It looks a little sad.
outclassed.
It's definitely sad. That's why it's in the back.
It's in the back.
Got the nice stuff up front.
All right, well, thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you really want to see more, click that bell, and you guys will get notified when the videos come out. So, thanks for watching.
Gave it the double guns at the last
did.
second. Did you see
You
that?
did. That was
freestyle.
yeah.